Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to make all of your YouTube videos private at once. So go ahead and launch your YouTube in your web browser. Then after, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're in the studio.youtube.com page, you need to go to the content section from the left-hand side, which is between dashboard and analytics. Go ahead and select it. And here in this page, you'll be able to see all the videos that you've uploaded on YouTube so far. Now check the box beside each video. After that, click on this edit option, which is between select all and add to playlist in the top. And here, select visibility. Then after, go ahead and select private, and then select update videos in the top of the screen. So that's it. You can also go ahead and change the title, description, tags, audience, and other different options available here to go for. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.